नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी श्री अरविंद कुटे माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो. सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे विद्यापीठ पुणे या विद्यापीठाचा TYBAचा आजचा जो कंपल्सरी इंग्लिशचा पेपर झाला, या पेपरची ॲन्सर की आपल्यासमोर मांडण्याचा हा छोटासा प्रयत्न मी करत आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. जॉन किट्स abandoned his medical profession to become a poet of. The correct answer is C. Beauty and verbal felicity. Question number 2. How many sisters are referred in the story How Much Land Does a Man Need? The correct answer is option C. 2 sisters. Question number 3. What is the meaning of commotion in the context of the prose Uncle Podger hangs a picture? And the correct answer is A. Noisy disturbance. Question number 4. Communication should be approached dash rather than as a regular core. The correct answer is A. As a creative process. Question number 5. Thomas Hardy uses the example of the humble hedgehog in his poem Afterwards. Is the correct answer is A. Helpless creature of nature. Question number 6. The spring didn't come to the giant garden because. Correct answer is A. There were no children. Question number 7. According to H.W. Longfellow, a person who spends all his time sleeping is a or an person. The correct answer is C. Dead. Question number 8. To understand dash of presentation necessary to make presentation a successful one. The correct answer is A. Purpose. Question number 9. How do I love thee? Is A or is an? So correct answer is B. Sonnet. Question number 10. Where else did the children try to play? Correct answer is C. Road. Question number 11. Afterwards is one of the famous and widely anthologized poems of, and correct answer is C. Thomas Hardy. Question number 12. Who is the writer of the story How Much Land Does a Man Need? And correct answer is C. Leo Tolstoy. Question number 13. The poem The Ballad of Father Gillingham is an or is a? So correct answer is ballad. Correct answer is C. Ballad. Assessing workload, prioritizing, planning, scheduling work, monitoring progress, and taking quick action are the parameters of an effective, and correct answer is B. Time management. Question number 15. If someone plays a loud music in the midnight, it is a, and correct answer is B. An encroachment on social liberty. Correct answer is B. An encroachment on social liberty. Question number 16. Elizabeth Barrett Browning love for her husband in the poem How Do I Love Thee is. Correct answer is A. Spiritual and pure. Question number 17. What is ideation in communication? Correct answer is A. To have ideas. Question number 18. The poem A Psalm of Life underlines poets, and correct answer is C. Optimism and courage. Question number 19. Who is police officer in the story A Retrieved Reformation? And correct answer is D. Ben Price. Actually here is Pen Price, but correct answer is D. Ben Price. Question number 20. To be an effective communicator, you need to be. Correct answer is A. An effective listener. Question number 21. The war described in the charge of the Light Brigade was fought by the British soldier against, and correct answer is B. Russia and Cossacks. Question number 22. According to William Shakespeare, at which age a man is with full of strange oaths, jealous in honor, and quick in a quarrel? The correct answer is A. Soldier. Question number 23. Sitting straight in interview is a part of, and correct answer is B. Maintaining posture. Question number 24. Who is the writer of the story The Selfish Giant? And correct answer is B. Oscar Wilde. Question number 25. The poem If explores that life is a combination of success and correct answer is A. Failure. Question number 26. Whom did Uncle Podger send to tell the size of a nail? And correct answer is B. One of the boys. Question number 27. What does Shaw mean by main decay in How Wealth Accumulates and Main Decay? Correct answer is A. Increased human ignorance. Question number 28. What will be the impact of Liberty Drum? And correct answer is B. It will become social anarchy. Question number 29. Hardy is describing going out the back door, not the front, in his poem afterwards. What does it suggest in the poem? And correct answer is A. Unnoticed death. The sender's idea is converted into a message is called, correct answer is A. Encoding. Question number 31. According to Kipling, even the people may show their hatred toward us, yet we should not hate them, and we should, correct answer is C. Show our love and respect to others. Question number 32. Who altered poem about the Bashkir's land? And correct answer is A. A dealer. Question number 33. Father Gillingham woke up and realized his mistake and rode recklessly to the house of the dying man where he met to, correct answer is C. The dead man's widow. Question number 34. How much time did the giant spend visiting his friend the Cornish ogre? Correct answer is A. 7 years. Question number 35. Which is not the way of coping with praise? And the correct answer is B. Go on a holiday. What is the term used to describe word or expression used by a specific group of people? Correct answer is B. Jargon. Question number 37. The processes of encoding and decoding are related to, correct answer is A. Sender and receiver. Question number 38. Identify the figure of speech used in the lines. Then the winning schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwilling to school. The correct answer is B. Metaphor. Question number 39. Hello everyone is one of the dash in presentation. Correct answer is A. Opening remark. Question number 40. What is a good way to continue the communication? The correct answer is C. Ask questions. Question number 41. According to Kipling, the touch with people from every class of the society would help us. Correct answer is A. To realize the reality and feel the needs of the society. Question number 42. What is communication without words? So correct answer is D. Non-verbal communication. Question number 43. What does the acronym SMART stand for? Correct answer is A. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time bound. Question number 44. The poem A Psalm of Life. The poet reminds us of a very popular quote: learn from the past, live in the present, and hope for the future. What does it mean? According to my best knowledge and as my understanding, the correct answer is C. Concentrate on the present only and trust the future. Question number 45. What impression did Mathilde make at the party? The correct answer is A. She was the prettiest of them all. Question number 46. In the line, and a crossing bridge cuts a pause in its outrolling of the poem afterwards, the word outrolling refers to. The correct answer is D. Sound of the bell. Question number 47. Which of the following is not the aspect of positive attitude? The correct answer is C. Pessimism. Question number 48. I love thee freely as men strive for right. In this line of the poem, meaning of the word freely is, the correct answer is A. Willingly. Question number 49. William Shakespeare was born in the year. Actually, the correct answer is 1564. Here you will get marks. Here the correct answer is C. Then question number 50. What kind of story is Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture? So correct answer is D. Hummer story. Question number 51. What does the speaker mean? My body spake, not I, in the poem The Ballad of Father Gillingham. So in my opinion, the correct answer is A. He grumbled on the sick man from not his hurt by but body. Question number 52. According to William Shakespeare, at which age man's voice turns again toward childish treble, pipes and whistle sound? The correct answer is A. Old man. Question number 53. What is the cost of the new necklace? And the correct answer is B. 36,000 francs. Question number 54. Subtle behaviors and communication style that are used in the work environment and interaction with other are called. The correct answer is soft skill. Question number 55. John Keats' poem La Belle Dame Sans Merci is based on a, and correct answer is A. French song. Question number 56. A.G. Gardiner narrates the incident of the railway carriage to illustrate people's, and correct answer is A. Lack of social sense. Question number 57. What did lead to the decline of intelligence and innovation according to Shaw? And the correct answer is D. Proliferation of machinery. Question number 58. Hard skill are data skill used to perform daily job function, and correct answer is B. Technical. Question number 55. The charge of the Light Brigade became hugely popular and was used as a pamphlet to inspire. The correct answer is B. British soldiers. Question number 60, which is the last question. Use of dash along with language make presentation effective, and the correct answer is B. Technical skill. So here the answer key is prepared on my best of knowledge and my understanding. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.